Uwe ukna pule class 12 jongka school ba University of Science and Technology USTM Ribhoi District. Ula pynkut no ela ke jongka jingim ha tyllai phasi ha ka kamra sa jong ha ka lai potering naitung. Haba keren Syllad pathai khubor na kaliang u Dr. Palap Kalita. Uwe na kidong hikai jongka teka school. Ula yathu ba kane ke jingja kalaja ha ka por kumba khandai beje lane khandai steng menmit. Ula ong ru baya ka kamera la khang na po bat mar kila pentip sya khanapara police station ki balawan poi sya kane ke jaka bat simti no ya ka met bat penkendria no sya po civil hospital nong po banle ya ka postmortem. Nalor kata ula ya thu ru bah ka por mensngi kim idon setia kano ka dak suba ne i pher hau te samla kat hadu ba unle ya ka te ka kam. Ha ka ba kidang yo iru ya u ha ka por jan miet kat ba udang mi isyabar ban ya lek kai bat ya ka e ka bajak ha ka por men miet bat naka e kadaw ka bala penlong ya uba unshim ya kani kasinjam nakaliang jongki kim don jing tip AA. Nhalor kani ke jingja ka jing tokit ki pulit kadang ya syakman.
Yesterday night, one of our student he commit suicide. The approximate time is 9 to 9:30, in between 9 to 9:30. Then we know about it. Then we informed the police, Khanapara police station. The police came. Then directly the body, they have recovered the body. Then directly they sent to the Nongpo civil hospital. I don't know about it. When the police recovered the body, that time the door is totally locked. Then we have broken the door. Then we have see the conditions of the body. Then we directly informed the police. Actually, we don't know about it. What is the behind about it? The reasons behind about it. No, the normal things are same as usual. Same things are there only. The daytime he took the lunch also. Then in the evening time he played also in the playground. Then the night time what happened actually we don't know actually. So हम लोग का क्या बोलते हैं उसको संवेदना उन लोग का फैमिली का साथ है अभी. तो अभी हम लोग का फैमिली भी हम लोग का साथ आया है हॉस्पिटल. हम लोग अभी हॉस्पिटल में ही है. अभी देखते हैं अभी पुलिस का इन्वेस्टिगेशन भी चल रहा है अभी.